Welcome back to our channel. If you're here because you're struggling with the Govee light system and you ran out of extensions, what do? Well, you're at the right place because I'm going to explain and give you exactly what you need to figure it out. Give our channel a thumbs up on the way in and let's figure out this solution. This 200-foot section only comes with two 6-foot extensions, in which I use those down here. I need another section up here. So the question is, can I get another 12-foot section, 2 6s? The answer is no, but there's an alternative. I'm going to put it in the description below where I got that, and it's for an off-brand, and I'm going to put it in there. But sometimes you have to be careful putting in all these extra extensions that don't come with the kit, because then you overextend it and then the data don't go through all the lights quite the same. So what I did is I looked on Amazon and did some research and figured it out, and I ordered, and I'll put a link in the description below, from a different manufacturer. And it says right on their description that they will only work for their manufacturer. So let's test this out and I'll show you what I did. Okay, as I explained, we got the cord here. I undid the cord here and put in the one I just bought. Here's the other one. It's a double 6, which goes to 12 feet. And I unplugged it from the Govee and plugged it in here and pushed it tight. Now it goes together pretty snug, so you really got to push on it to get it to go in there. And then I run it up here and I unplugged the Govee one here. You can see the Govee light, and the light's working, blinking. And I plugged it in here. It's not completely together, but it's almost. And you'll see that it's working, because the power's coming up from downstairs, down below under the porch, through this cable, the one I plugged in, and there it is, and it's working. Now you can see that the test worked perfect. But I will tell you that this cord, the one I just got, that's not a Govee product, it's a little bit thinner and might not be quite as weather resistant as a Govee, because the Govee is pretty thick and durable, which is what I like about it. So whenever you put this on your house, try to find a place like right here that you can tuck it in out of the sunlight, is what I would recommend. But as any other project, there's never a guarantee. But I can tell you right now, it works. If you don't mind subscribing, because I'm going to be coming out with a video of installing these Govee Pro 200-foot strip of lights. So if you're working through a project or you're thinking about buying the Govee light, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss out when that video comes. Well, I hope you seen this video is helpful, and I appreciate you watching. Give us a thumbs up on the way out if you didn't do that already. It helps the channel and it helps you in the algorithms. And until the next time, have a great day.